Hello friends, in this lecture we are going to create a bristle brush and we will work on it. So for creating a bristle brush, let's create on this new icon here and select the bristle brush, click on OK, click on OK and you will see this window popping up. Again, you can provide the name of your brush, shape. We are having different kind of shapes like round point, round blunt. See, these are the brush tips and here you can take a look at the previews. Round angle, round fan, flat point, flat blunt, flat curve. So these are the brush tips and here you can take a look at the preview. You can make its size as you wish. I mean, you can change its size as your wish. This is the bristle length. This is the length, the brush length. This is the bristle density. Then the bristle thickness. Then the paint opacity. I like to reduce it. You will know why. Well, let's reduce it and let's make its size like this or like this, yeah. And then the stiffness. Now let's click on OK. Select the brush tool and make sure that your bristle brush is selected. For us it's this one, and see, let's provide some hair to this guy. Bristle brushes are really very helpful for drawing, say, hair, for water painting, for say some grass, this kind of stuffs. And let me tell you why I have chosen a low opacity brush, because each time you are painting and you are painting over and over, see, it's getting more much more denser, right? Just take a look at it. See, really fun, right, using this bristle brush? Okay, here we have got some extra brushes. Now let's provide some strokes here. Now you may think that oh my god, it is having lots of strokes in each stroke, right? Let's try to select one. See, this is a single stroke, single stroke. All of these are single strokes. So let me delete these, even this one also. Yeah, okay. See, it's looking cool, right? Let me move this cat over here. Yeah, and just take a look. Let's draw some more here. Oh my god. Press Ctrl Z. What I have done. Select this bristle brush and draw. Now, while drawing, you can also change your bristle brush and you can draw with something else. I mean, you can draw with other bristle brushes. Say for example some denser grass or some thicker grass. For those stuffs you can use this I mean different types of bristle brushes you can use. Let me fast forward it because it's like it's simple only, right? And say this champ is looking really cool, right? Okay guys, yeah, combination of brush strokes of these bristle brushes uh, really gives your artwork some more standard. Yes friend. Okay, so let me conclude it here only. So I recommend just to get yourself more acquainted with these kind of stuffs, try to draw more, right? Okay, I think bristle brush is applied here. I think so. Yeah. Let's press Ctrl Z. This is our cat. It is having a black stroke, right? Okay, let's leave it. Let's make it or this scatter brush only. Yeah, okay. So that's all for our bristle brush. So just try with something more and you will understand it better. So till now, what are the brushes that we have seen? Let's take a look. Calligraphic brush, basic brush, scatter brush, art brush, bristle brush. Next we are having the pattern brush, right? And we will see how we can create a pattern brush and where it is useful. It's really very good, and also we are having a project on this next to this current lecture. Okay, so that's it guys, see you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun, take care.